Greetings from Maxwell. Hi, myself Alka Sharma. I'm the career counselor of Maxwell. Today, I'm going to explain few things on VEEVA VAULT training course. In this VEEVA VAULT training, we will cover from basic to advanced level of the VEEVA VAULT. In case, if you're looking only for the advanced or the basic part of the training, it is also possible. We do believe in complete customization of the training solution for one and all. Hence, if you're an individual or corporate, we will fix the VEEVA VAULT training agenda as per your requirement or as per your project requirement, and then deliver the training for you. Here is the agenda, what the trainer is going to cover in this VEEVA VAULT training video. What is VEEVA VAULT? That is the introduction part, its main course content, certifications of VEEVA VAULT, prerequisites, why one should choose Maxwell's VEEVA VAULT trainer, what are the job opportunities available for VEEVA VAULT, Maxwell's introduction, corporate training benefits as well as individual training benefits, conclusion, and lastly, how to reach us or how to enroll with us for the VEEVA VAULT training purpose. What is the introduction of VEEVA VAULT? VEEVA VAULT is a genuine cloud enterprise content management platform and a set of applications especially designed for biological sciences. It gives all the life sciences organizations a unique source of truth to minimize complexity and increase business dexterity. It is the one and only content management platform with the exclusive capability to handle both content and data. Moving on to the next, we have the VEEVA VAULT course content. Let's have a look on the standard course content that we have with us today. About the course content, the trainer has listed few topics for you, what he is going to cover in this video. So here are the topics for you. Let me read out the topics of VEEVA VAULT. The topics are VEEVA Products Overview, End User Console Overview, Documents and Binders, Classifying Documents, Placeholders and Crosslinks, Business Administrators Operations, Document and Binder Templates, Signature Page Templates, System administrator users and groups operations. System administrators document operations. Document type hierarchy. Configuring document types and fields. Custom application and lifecycle roles. Create document workflows. Workflow steps and security. Dynamic access control DAC. Define dynamic access control. Sharing and matching sharing rules. So far I have shown you here is the main course content. Basically, what the trainer has prepared for you for the entire VEEVA VAULT training session. Moving on to the next, we have what are the certifications of VEEVA VAULT? VEEVA certification program offers two types of qualifications. An associate qualification that validates product knowledge and a certified qualification that validates product knowledge and real-time experience working in the design role. VEEVA CRM certified white belt qualification authenticates the holder has the knowledge, skills, and real-world hands-on experience to administer a VEEVA CRM environment to meet the needs of VEEVA customers. Here is the details of prerequisite, that is who all are eligible to take part in VEEVA Vault learning session. There is no specific prerequisite for learning VEEVA Vault training course. Any candidate with no prior knowledge in this field can even join this training session and learn it in depth. Next we have why Maxwell is VEEVA Vault trainer. It's because our trainers are real-time subject matter experts from corporate and have minimum of 10 to 15 years of experience in this field. They will tell you real-time industry VEEVA Vault implementation challenges, what even they are facing in their day-to-day activities. They will also share with candidates about the case studies of VEEVA Vault. The trainer will not only cover those topics, whatever they have listed down in the course content slide, but they will definitely make your project ready so that the candidate can easily start working on project from day one after the successful completion of the VEEVA Vault training session. They will eventually guide you for the VEEVA Vault certification exam also, so that the candidate can pass the exam with an ease. What are the job opportunities available for VEEVA Vault across the globe? If you're searching for a job in India, probably I can say Naukri is the best platform available. Let's have a look at the Naukri platform. I have already opened it for you guys. I can see currently there are 38609 job opportunities across India. Among these, the topmost locations are Bangalore being the top. There are 15198 job opportunities for VEEVA Vault. Then I can see Pune, where there are 6183 job opening and 6131 openings in Delhi, and many other locations are also available. Let me see how much package they are offering. I can see 22,203 who all are ready to pay in between 6 to 10 lakhs. 11,619 who all are ready to pay 15 to 25 lakhs. And one more thing I got to say, there is even 38 openings that are ready to pay more than 100 lakhs. Let's see which are the companies in India hiring for VEEVA Vault. Accenture being in the top, where there are 5101 job openings, and many others big companies are also hiring for VEEVA Vault across India. And if you're looking for job opportunities across USA, then DICE is the best platform available. Let's have a look at DICE. In DICE, currently I get to see there are 93 job openings in DICE for VEEVA Vault. And the designations are VEEVA Vault, VEEVA Vault Lead, Senior Manager VEEVA CRM, VEEVA Analyst, and VEEVA Developer, etc. And if anyone is looking for job across worldwide, then the LinkedIn is definitely the best platform to look for job across the globe. And in LinkedIn, today there are 1938 job openings. I repeat, 1938 job openings for VEEVA Vault. Let's say across the globe, who all are the companies hiring for VEEVA Vault. In LinkedIn, I got to see VEEVA Systems being in the top, followed by Biospace, Biogene, Actalent, Diverse Links, and Sanofi, etc. These are the top companies hiring for VEEVA Vault across the world. And what are the top locations available? Currently, USA being in the top for VEEVA Vault. Then comes United Kingdom, Germany, India, France, Spain, Canada, Poland, etc. Let's go back to our main slide. already gone through all these top companies' names in Naukri, Dice, as well as in LinkedIn. And these are the names of the top countries we already got to see from all these three job portals. Why one should choose Maxwell's training institution? Maxwell's institution is a 15-year-old corporate training and project consulting company. If you have to talk about our company Maxwell's, we are one of the top technologies training company in niche technologies across India, USA, UK, Europe, and various parts in UAE. Maxwell's has successfully conducted more than 1,000 corporate trainings in India, Finland, Sweden, Germany, Austria, Israel, and Singapore, or say any other country. We have also received excellent feedback and appreciation from our corporate clients throughout the globe. These are the names of the top clients for whom we have already provided VEEVA VAULT training in India as well as outside India. Let's look into the next slide we have. What are the corporate training benefits of VEEVA VAULT from Maxwell's? Customization of VEEVA VAULT course content can be done as per the company's project requirements. We do actually provide implementation and configuration level of VEEVA VAULT training. Maxwell's corporate training program helps employees to start working on projects from day one after the successful completion of the training session. Even you have the option to choose location, training mode, and your preferred schedule. We will definitely provide course completion certification to all the participants. Next, what are the individual training benefits from Maxwell's? And the benefits are customized training to individual is our main USP. Industry-specific subject matter experts trainer for individual project. Flexibility to select trainer and have live demo session with trainer before the starting of the VEEVA VAULT training. Each candidate will easily get to know the VEEVA VAULT certification exam process in details. On concluding today's session, I can say that using VEEVA Vault, organizations can now easily remove system, site, and simplify end-to-end processes across commercial, medical, surgical, regulatory, quality, and safety. And for Max Bonus, I can proudly say we have industry-specific senior subject matter expert who can customize the training agenda as per project requirement for companies and for individuals. This VEEVA Vault training will be of implementation and configuration level of training. When it comes to individuals training, individuals may not find customized training as per their project requirements in most of the places. But arranging one-to-one customized implementation level of training for our individuals is our main USP. Last but not the least, I can summarize that VEEVA Vault has great market job opportunities throughout the world. Excellent trainer, implementation and configuration level training, course completion certificate, VEEVA Vault certification tips and guidance, and learning at your own pace. All this option makes us excellent and first choice for learning VEEVA Vault training course. For any more further information, or if you want to enroll with us for VEEVA Vault training session, one can definitely reach us through these numbers below. Please note down all the contact numbers. We are even reachable in WhatsApp in these numbers mentioned here. And one can even drop a mail in this given mail ID, that is contact@maxbonus.com. And one can easily reach us by clicking on the URL given in the description box. One can even reach us by dropping a message in our live chat box here, and the concerned person will immediately get back to you and solve all your queries regarding the training session. So, for an excellent career growth in VEEVA Vault, do join us now. I hope you will definitely love and enjoy the full VEEVA Vault training session with Maxwell. Candidate satisfaction is our main responsibility. Thank you.